The South Bay Marine League thrives when players trust each other to make lines calls and act in a sportsmanlike manner.
Out. Love 15.
Occasionally, players may doubt the validity of a line call.
15 all. Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. It was out by a foot.
Jenny, did you see that ball in?
My partner called it out. It was out.
In this case, the Marine League allows the request of linespeople.
I'm requesting lines people.
Ladies, we need one linesperson from each team immediately, please.
I'll do it.
Do you know how to be a linesperson?
Yes, I watched the video.
Every Marine League player must be willing to act as a linesperson. This requires reading the linesperson duties in the Marine League rules and watching this short video. If you are called to be a linesperson, take your job seriously. Do not bring your phone, eat, drink, or chat with other players. Do not confront a player.
Hi, I'm Sarah. Hi, Sarah.
Be sure to stand in the appropriate position and to focus on the player's issues.
All right, we need the lines people to watch all the lines.
Issues can also include foot faulting, scorekeeping, and delay between points or at changeover. While players rotate every 2 games, linespeople remain on their side of the court, diagonal from each other. The linesperson on the serving side stands back by the baseline. The linesperson on the receiving side stands by the service line to assess whether the serve goes in. After the serve is returned, the linesperson on the receiving side backs up toward the baseline. A linesperson must not speak unless asked for a ruling.
Linesperson, was it really out?
No, it was in.
Note that if a linesperson cannot call a ball in or out, the call of the player stands.
I didn't see it. The player's call stands.
A linesperson must keep track of the score, but only reveal it if asked.
30 love.
Oh, wait, hold on. It's 15 love, not 30 love. We've only played 1 point. Lines judge, can you please confirm the score? Score is 15 love.
15 love.
If asked by any player to call foot faults, the linesperson must proactively call a foot fault if one occurs, for any of the players. This is the only instance in which a linesperson must proactively, without being asked, make a call. Calls by linespeople are final and cannot be disputed by players.
Wait, what? That was a terrible call. I don't agree with you.
Our rules include a strict penalty point system for any arguments with a linesperson. A linesperson can only replace herself at her own request, not by players.
I want a new linesperson.
That is not your call.
Players can request additional linespeople, always in pairs, always one from each team, to supplement existing linespeople. Players can also request a separate scorekeeper. Now let's test your linesperson readiness. True or false, a linesperson should call a serve in when it lands in the box. False. A linesperson only weighs in if a call is first made by the receiving team and the server or her partner asks the linesperson for her call. True or false, a linesperson who is asked about a ball called out that was indeed out must confirm that it was out. True. The linesperson on the relevant side of the court must confirm, if asked, that she saw the ball out, as called by the player on her side of the court. True or false? If the ball touches just a millimeter of the baseline, the closest player has the option to call it out. False. If the ball touches any portion of the baseline, it is in. Congratulations! You just completed the South Bay Marine League Basic Linesperson Training. For the full set of rules, please refer to the rules posted on tennisscores.com.